Hello everybody, it's Alex here, and today I'm going to be running you through the Oxen name service, or often referred to as ONS. So ONS allows you to map readable names to things which are otherwise usually not readable, such as Oxen wallet addresses, session IDs, and Lokinet addresses. So let's hop over to the Oxen name service tab. The first thing you're going to need is some Oxen. So the amount of Oxen that you are going to need is going to depend on what kind of name you want to register. The cheapest ones are the wallet address and the session ID and the single year for the Loki address. For the purposes of this video, I am just going to register the wallet address for the wallet that I am currently using. So I've already copied the wallet address there, and I'm going to come down here, and there is a small drop-down menu for you to choose which thing you want to register. So in this case, I'm going to create an ONS record for a wallet address. Then I am going to choose the name. So in this case, I am going to call this the tutorial wallet, which might be useful for us sometime in the future to be able to send funds to this very wallet that I'm using right now. Then I'm going to need to choose which wallet address will be mapped to this name. So it is important to note that it isn't necessarily going to be the same as the wallet address, which is actually paying to make the registration. You could choose a different wallet address if you wanted to. Maybe you want to gift a name to somebody else or transfer ownership to somebody else. Totally up to you. So I'm going to just put in my own wallet address. And once again, you can also make the owner a different wallet than your own wallet. So if you wanted to create this registration but actually register it and give someone else control over that record, then you can do that as well if you would like to. I'm not going to. If you leave it empty by default, it will just be the wallet that you are using right now is going to be the owner of the record. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase the record. It's going to give me a confirmation, and it's going to look up and see if that record is already registered, which in this case, hopefully it is not, and it wasn't. So we have successfully purchased that name. And now if I scroll up here, you can go and check what ONS you have. Now it might take some time for that registration to actually confirm, so it might not show up here immediately. But another thing that you can do is go over to the Block Explorer, and you can look up ONS records there. So if you're wondering if maybe your name or your nickname or your usual handle is available as an ONS on session or for a wallet or whatever you want to use it for, then you can go and check that out using the Block Explorer. It's really handy if you're trying to figure out which names are available, because otherwise it's a bit of a trial and error process via the wallet. So it's useful to check out the Block Explorer first. We have a video on the Block Explorer, so if you'd like to check that one out, it will be linked down in the description. So it is as simple as that. Now, if somebody wanted to, for example, send Oxen to this wallet, they would be able to do so by just putting tutorial wallet as the address they were sending to instead of the actual wallet address, and it would be able to resolve straight to this wallet, which is really handy and easier for sharing your wallet address with people whenever you want. So that's everything for ONS. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.